How do I create an email account? Okay, it's very simple. Firstly, you type email creation or www.email.com. Okay, after typing that, just wait a little. They will give you results and show you and give you the guideline on how to create a Gmail account. Okay, here this is a simple way to create an email account. It's very simple. Yeah, I can say that it's very simple. After typing create an email account or email creation, then you will see something like this. You click on create a Google account. Okay, there they will suggest on how to create it step by step. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also share and tap on the notification button for more videos. Okay, once you see something like this, you click on create an account. Very simple. Okay, my network is not that too fast, so please bear with us. Yeah, after clicking on create an account, they will show you something like this. Create a Google account. Here you have started creating it. You put on your first name, put on your last name. It's very simple. Okay, the first name. Okay, let's just type the last name, either your surname or anything. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, after that they will suggest the name, the username, blah 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 at gmail.com. Then here you put your password. Remember, while putting your password, remember to put a strong password. Okay, after putting your password, you verify and confirm it. Click on next. Okay, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, yeah, it will take a little time. Then after clicking that, they will ask you to verify your number. Okay, you have to put a phone number depending on your country. Okay, I'm using a Nigerian number. Okay, I'll just select on Nigeria and start putting the number. Okay, and remember that you must have that phone number around you so that if they send the OTP, you'll be able to copy the OTP numbers. Okay, you click on next. Okay, what is the next thing? They will send you OTP, 6-digit number. Okay, since they have sent it, we have to copy the number to this one. Okay, we now paste it. Okay, 854, okay, blah blah blah, and don't try to disclose the number to other people. Are you getting me? Okay, you click on next. Then what is the next thing? If you want to add a recovery email, you put a recovery account. Then you put your gender, either male or female. Okay, put your date of birth, your day, month and year. It's very compulsory. Yes, I can say that it's very compulsory. Okay, let me just put the date, 26th April. Okay, just type the day, the year, either 1999 or 2005. Okay, let me just put 1996. What's the next thing? I click on next. Okay, I'll click on next. What's the next thing? I will have to wait more to get more confirmation. Okay, then I'll click on yes, I am in. Very simple. Yeah, then you wait for small and read terms and condition. After reading it, you click on I agree. Yes, so for some of us that don't want to read or don't have chance to read, you just go straight and skip it by clicking on yes, I agree. Okay, after doing that, remember that you are almost done in creating an email account. Very simple. Okay, so next time, if there is any question that you want to ask, you might drop the message on the comment section. Maybe if you want us to teach on any video or any lesson, just comment on, and okay, just only comment on the name. Yes, comment on the problem you're having, and maybe you tell us to treat on so problem. So that's the message we have for you. Welcome, you have created a new account.